Hello, I'm Robin and I have an update for you for Synth East 2026. Synth East 2026 is brought to you by Electronic Sound Magazine, the Norwich Art Centre and Molten Music Technology. Synth East, if you haven't heard, is a fabulous synthesizer festival held in Norwich every year in February. In 2026 it's the weekend of the 20th to 22nd and it's going to be an absolutely wonderful, fabulous time of electronic music, of synthesizers, of modular, of gear, of performances, of that lifeblood of control voltage, MIDI, data, sound, audio and flashing lights that we are thrilled by. Now the first news is that Saturday night, featuring the fabulous Cabaret Voltaire, is completely sold out. It's sold out really quick, very popular so it turns out. So unfortunately all the tickets have gone for the Saturday night. In fact, if you have tickets and you're unable to go, then do get in touch because I have a nice list of people who would love to get in. However, Saturday night is not the only thing. It's an entire weekend of events. So let's shift our focus to what else is on offer over the Synth East 2026 weekend. Friday night we are showing a film all about studio electrophonique. This is a studio up in Sheffield that was responsible for launching the careers of people like ABC, Human League, Heaven 17, but also Pulp and Def Leppard. It's a fascinating story about the struggle of music production and getting your craft down onto tape against all better judgment from the music industry. Following that, we've got a special live version of a brand new podcast called I've Got That on Vinyl, headed up by music veterans Mark Rowland and Push, both of whom knocked around on Melody Maker back in the day, and it is actually 100 years since the beginning of Melody Maker magazine. And these two geezers went on to accidentally launch an entire magazine called Electronic Sound. And Friday night they're going to be talking about how that came about, the genesis of it. They're also going to be kicking around ideas about vinyl and formats and genres and pop music, electronic music. They're going to have guest input from all sorts of different places. It'll be full of anecdotes and stories and the life of the rock and roll journalist. It's an absolute one-off event that you shouldn't miss. After that, in the bar afterwards, we can relax in the company of Lily Sphire, who will be spinning discs, throwing out samples and chundering through all sorts of electronic music, wizardry, vocals and exploratory ideas. That's the Friday. Saturday daytime. Now this is actually the main event. This is the whole reason why we put Synth East together. This is the place where we come and gather around all of the synthesizers and modular and electronic gear that fuels our creativity. We are filling the Norwich Art Centre full of synthesizers, modular and other bits and pieces where you can come and gaze and poke and play, and perhaps more importantly you can chat to the person who made the stuff. You can chat to the manufacturer and find out exactly what it is about this particular thing that you really like, what it is it could potentially do for your music and your creativity. It's a fabulous opportunity to join with other enthusiasts and just really revel in the ideas and concepts behind the gear that we love. While at the same time the whole day is peppered full of performances. We have Adler Saint come up from Brighton to play us a fantastic electronic music set. We also have a more experimental set from EM Arson to entertain and delight us as we're trying to decide not to spend a whole load of money all at once on a whole bunch of new gear. Now from the manufacturer's point of view, we've got pretty much everyone, I suppose. We've got 1010 Music, AM Synths, we've got Buchla, Erica Synths, Korg, Black and Blue, Chordboard, DPW, Expert Sleepers, Instruo, Arturia, Dreadbox, PWM, RYK, Tim Exile, Future Sound Systems, Voltage Vibes, and more. We also have a number of community groups like the EMOM and the Norwich Synth Club and charities like Music Keys, all there to wrap themselves around this awesome little community event. And then later on in the day we have the legendary All-Star Patch-Off, and this year it features myself, Gaz Williams, Steve Davis, the original three, plus Starsky Carr, Jason Lim from Instruo, and Scanner. Oh yes, that's not to be missed. We get these modular artists together and we force them to play, to collaborate and improvise for 15 minutes just like that. You'll see things you've never seen before. It will be a performance that will never be repeated. It's a once in a lifetime experience. So come along, Saturday daytime. And it's only 15 quid for all of that, for that collaboration, for that improvisations, for those performances, for this gear, for that environment, and spending time with similarly minded, crazy electronic music people. Then on the Sunday we have a very special DIY workshop. This is hosted by Moritz Klein, also of Erica Synths, and he's the guy who designed all of the MKI EDU educational DIY modules that Erica Synths produced to allow you to build your own system while learning all about it. This workshop is about 4 hours long, and in that time you'll get into exactly how to design, build and prototype Eurorack modules. There's not going to be any soldering in this one. This is all about breadboarding stuff out, testing, exploring, seeing where things go and trying to grasp an understanding of what the components mean, of what it is that's on the PCB and how it all gels together to create these fabulously legendary sounds that we're all so fond of. This particular workshop is going to focus on the hi-hat module, and you'll be able to take away your own DIY hi-hat module kit at the end of the day. The cost is £125 per ticket. That's for a nearly an all-day workshop event where you're going to learn so much stuff. And you'll also be accompanied by people like myself who'll be filling around in the background trying to make a little bit of music. There are only 12 spaces and half of those are gone already, so don't delay if that's something that interests you. So even with the Saturday night sold out, we have tons and tons to get excited about, to come along and see. So do check out the links below for more information on the website, and go and grab your tickets from the Norwich Arts Centre website. Synth East is just a thrilling event that we love putting on. We just adore the opportunity of bringing these things together, putting them to one place in Norwich, and just really celebrating what synthesizers and making music is all about. Can't wait to see you there, and in the meantime, go make some tunes.